You can't imagine how amazing your body is until you realize what it's capable of during pregnancy. From growing a human being to waging war against viruses, pregnant women go through a lot. And no, we're not just talking about morning sickness and swollen ankles. Here are 5 pregnancy facts that will blow your mind. Number 1. A baby can breathe before it's born. Now don't get us wrong, we're not saying your unborn baby is going to start reciting Shakespeare anytime soon, but it can breathe. By the time your baby is 26 weeks old, its lungs are developed enough to take in air and release carbon dioxide. Doctors often use this as a test to see if the lungs are working properly. This is also why breathing exercises are sometimes recommended for pregnant women. They help strengthen the diaphragm and make it easier for the baby to practice breathing. Number 2, you can pass on DNA to your future grandkids. Yep, we're getting into that real crazy science stuff. When a baby is still developing, its brain cells, spinal cord cells, and sex cells, which are all important for reproduction, start to develop. During this time, you can actually pass on more than just genes to these cells. According to a study published in the journal Cell, some non-genetic material from the mother can also be transferred to the developing baby. This includes long non-coding RNA molecules that can affect how genes are expressed without changing the DNA sequence. Researchers are still trying to figure out exactly what these molecules do and how they'll affect future generations. But scientists believe they may play a role in helping offspring adapt to their environment. Number 3, your immune system protects your baby from viruses. Speaking of fighting off unwanted invaders, did you know that during pregnancy, your immune system works over time to protect you and your baby from viruses? That's right. If you get a cold or the flu while you're pregnant, your body will produce antibodies to fight it off. These antibodies will then pass on to your baby, giving them immunity to the virus for the first few months of their lives. It's one of the reasons why pregnant women are often advised to get the flu shot. By getting the vaccine, you can protect yourself and your little one from a nasty bout of the flu. Number 4, babies can digest their own meconium before they're born. Babies are constantly practicing things while they're still in the womb, like breathing, digesting, and yes, even pooping. That's right. The digestive system of a fetus is so advanced that by the time it's born, it'll be able to poop on command. Well, sort of. All that practice in the womb means that by the time your baby is born, it'll have a stash of meconium ready to go. This is the first poop of the newborn, and it's usually black and terry. Don't worry. Your baby won't be constipated after birth. That is, unless it hasn't had its first dose of magic beans. No. 5, you can feel your baby's heartbeat. Maybe you've felt it already. Sometimes during pregnancy, you can actually feel your baby's heartbeat in your abdomen. This is because the fetal heart rate can be heard through the sounds of your blood flow. Listen closely and you might just hear the tiny drumbeat of your baby's heart. Just make sure to bring headphones to your next doctor's appointment. There's a lot that goes into making a tiny human, and we're just scratching the surface here. Comment below with your wildest pregnancy fact, and we'll see you next time.